Tank True Friends, Wooden Railway Adventures, Episode 7, New Engines at the Docks. Salty was thinking about something. He talked to Crank about something. Hey, Cranky, what is it? I need to talk. Oh, it's a story, I'm not listening. Oh, I know it's going to be a story. Don't talk. Don't say it. Let me finish. Okay, but it's a story, I'm not listening. I was hoping if you get new engines at the dock and new trains at the docks. Okay, you find it while I get busy. Busy with what? Playing around. Now you're on the floor. Yeah, no. Here's the deal. You look for engines while I stay here. Okay, I know why you're saying that because you stay on the floor. Yeah, I know that. So Salty went off to get some engines at the docks. He went through the line inside a shed. Went inside the shed and said, "Hey Murdoch, would you want to come to the docks and work there?" Okay. Okay, he said, 1, 2 to go. So Murdoch arrived. You found Murdoch? Good. And he told Ivo Hugh too. He also agreed. Ivo Hugh. Then Ivo arrived too. We only need one more engine left. He went through the line and asked Stanley, "Hey Stanley, would you like to work at the docks?" Okay. He wrote there and Stanley left right behind him. Alright, you guys go deliver some trucks, okay? You guys look for trucks around the island while I shut in your trucks. So, Murdoch, Ivo Hugh, and Stanley went to look for some new trucks. Wow. So, Murdoch was the first one to look for some trucks. He found the first truck. I can check this thing. And Salty shoved the trucks into order. One by one, he shoved it in. Then Ivo Hugh looked for some truck behind the back. We tried for this one. And Stanley saw some trucks off the rails, so he picked that one. Stanley found another while Salty was busy. And he shoved it in the fast tray and put it in there. And Ivo Hugh, Murdoch, and Stanley found the 3 trucks because there was 3 engines. Shoved it into trucks in order and put them as a train. Nobody was going to show it in. So it was like a big train. Soon Stanley, Murdoch, and Ivo Hugh arrived with the trucks. So he told them, put them right back there. Even you, IQ, because you're already there. You can put those trucks behind the docks. So they put them down there. Right. One of them the first one had done it, got sterilized for a while. Family was next. Up next. And Murdoch, soon enough, it was middle of the night. Where's Murdoch? He should be here by now. Maybe he's had a hard time looking for trucks. Do not worry, I'm already here. Car. So Murdoch jumped it in the train, and soon enough, Stanley's Ivo, Hugh, and Murdoch were actually good at the dogs. Wow, you are really good. Thanks, they both said. I know that. We know. Well, so Murdoch, Ivo, Hugh, and Stanley were not the yard engines. They were now the docks engines.